Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is one of the most powerful antibacterial essential oils because it contains carvacrol and thymol, two antibacterial and antifungal compounds. In fact, research shows oregano oil is effective against many clinical strains of bacteria, including Escherichia coli, E.
Let's help you make your mark.
7 Best natural antibiotics. Garlic. Cultures across the world have long recognized garlic for its preventive and curative powers. Honey. Since the time of Aristotle, honey has been used as an ointment that helps wounds to heal and prevents or draws out infection. Ginger. Echinacea. Golden seal. Clove. Oregano.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.